What's up, everybody? It's your boy PA. Now tuning back into the shop, and you see me in the car or in the truck, only means one thing. I was on Facebook Marketplace, came across something that looked pretty good, and then started messaging the owner of said something, and we negotiated a price. Kind of hate negotiating prices before even going to go see it, but it's one of those things where you got to strike while the iron is hot. So I'm on the back roads of Central Florida. I want to go pick this something up. So
in 1 mile, turn left onto County Road 555.
Yeah. So I'm about 15 minutes away according to GPS. So I'll pick the camera back up whenever I get there, and or whenever it's loaded on the truck if I do pick it up. Try not to put the camera in front of people's faces and stuff like that. Being respectful. So, but something nice, and a lot of work's done already, so that's nice too. So yeah, I'll pick it back up whenever we get there. All right, just like that, we are back on the road, back in the little countryside, and back headed to the house. And got a quick little pickup. Like I said, a lot of work's already done from what you could see. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it's something simple, something small. It never is. But hopefully this one can be some simple stuff. I had a video, or I saw a video of it running. Apparently right now it does not run because of a battery. So we're gonna see, and it's been sitting for a couple years. But there's a lot of like small things done to it. So that's nice, of course. So we get to see if we can let everything play with each other. Let's see how well it all comes out. I got a color in mind already. Like I'm putting a build together in my head as we head home. So definitely can't wait to see this one through. And whenever I get home, I'll do a walk around of the bike, kind of pointing some stuff out. So stick with me, and I'll show you guys the bike once it is home. And yeah, so. right, let me introduce you guys to my 77 Suzuki GS750. This thing has had some work done to it. As you can see, headlight, speedo tack, got some wires, got some pod filters, original Mikunis. If you know, you know. That old school logo. But there's been a lot of things changed, like rear sprocket, chain, suspension. I'm not sure if this is a progressive shock or not, but suspension's been changed. I'm gonna guess this is a license plate light. Don't know. This is held on by self tappers or by screws in general. That's a no-go. This exhaust is interesting. We got a 4 coming down into 1. So yeah, 4 coming down into 1. Very interesting. I've heard it in video, haven't heard it in person, so definitely interested to see what this thing actually sounds like. But yeah, a lot of work's been done to it, which is not necessarily what I like to pick up, someone else's project, but for the price, which I won't disclose, it was pretty sick. So fingers crossed. It's just battery, paint the tank, fix that, and find some better way to mount it. And the biggest thing is going to be wiring. It was wired by someone that was more of a hot rodder, and it's not necessarily incorrect, it's just different. So but yeah, we'll see. So we got stainless steel brake line. Okay. Tow kickstart does work, as well as ignition over there. We got the key under the seat. There's no key in it, but the ignition or the key lock's under the seat there. Hopefully this tank is not rusted. I see a couple little things there. Hopefully it's not rusted, but I'll look into a tank just to be safe. It sucks we just got rid of 2 GS bikes, so, and one had a GS750 motor, so that would have been perfect for this. But nonetheless, we'll see if we can get this thing back up and on the road fairly cheaply and quickly, and see how it works. I like this. But yeah, so this is the pickup 77 GS750 in all her glory. Not a bad pickup, especially for the price. Can't beat it. But that's all we have time for today. It's your boy PA, now leaving the shop. Peace.